Church Lawyers, we have a team of dedicated attorneys to help you plan around potential legal problems. Or when a crisis arrives at the door of your ministry, we're here to help. A recent report came out that listed the top 3 reasons in 2018 that churches find themselves in lawsuits. They are 1, child abuse claims, 2, property disputes, and 3, personal injuries. We hear that churches are being sued at an alarming rate and had to waste financial resources and countless hours outside of their mission, and we grieve because most of these lawsuits are avoidable with proper risk management. In this video, I'm going to walk through some of the basic planning strategies you can use to reduce or eliminate your ministry's legal risk in these areas. So how do you reduce the risk in these top 3 categories of lawsuits? Well, let's talk about child abuse prevention. Protecting kids should be at the highest of priorities in all of your ministry. Children that come to church should be safe, and it's your job as a ministry leader to ensure that your child abuse prevention policies are up to date, that your volunteers have been screened, and that the policies are all being followed. Do your policies have the 2-adult rule specified in them, or do you have social media guidelines and instructions for your volunteers? There's so many other things we could talk about today, so many important things, but if you have a question, give us a call because we would be so happy to help you assess your current policies and to see if it's up to date. Now, the other area is property disputes. From property tax matters to land disputes, churches need to be aware of their property rights and obligations and realize that secular courts will jump in if necessary to settle disputes. If your ministry finds itself in the beginning phases of a merger, for example, or breaking from its denominational affiliation or selling or leasing land, we can be of help. We can help you draft agreements and land instruments that will help you facilitate and cost-effectively resolve these issues outside of court. Another big area that churches get sued in is personal injuries. Understand that personal injuries can occur more than just in the parking lot. It can be a slip and fall. It can involve an employee, an injury to a child, or a trip on summer camp. These are just a few of the issues that our ministries have to deal with daily, and we want to help you to make sure, for example, your waivers are top-notch, that you can navigate your next injury claim, and we can help you provide valuable insight relating to proper warning notices and signs on your property, just to name a few. There's so much more we could talk about that, but simple planning and risk management can save your church or ministry thousands and thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours of stress and time away from your mission. And we'd love to partner with you as the Church Lawyers. We want you to become a Church Lawyer member client, because as a client member, we will provide you with affordable, thorough, manageable processes to address many of your ministry's critical legal areas. So just click the start button above to learn more.